Sit down, please.
So we have a chocolate egg. A chocolate egg.
What kind of chocolate egg? We don't have any chocolate eggs.
We do. The little ones.
No, you guys ate them all. Yeah, they're gone, hun. They've been gone for a long time. You can't get them anymore.
Josie, you have a habit for being mean. Mommy, take a picture of like this behind our heads while taking a picture.
Bunny ears? It's perfect for Easter.
And the Easter bunny. Come. Ow! Stop!
What do you say?